In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up SMS marketing on Klaviyo. Start by opening Klaviyo and heading to your account area. In the bottom left, click your profile, then open Settings. From the Settings menu, choose Text Message to access the SMS configuration area. Here, go to Sender Information. This is where you'll set up the phone number your messages will come from and provide the business details carriers require. Click Add Country and select the country where you'll be sending messages. This determines what types of sender numbers are available to you and ensures compliance with local regulations. You'll now choose a sender type. You'll see options for toll-free, short code, and vanity short code. Short codes are 5 or 6-digit numbers with high throughput, and vanity short codes let you request a memorable number, but they take longer and cost more. Toll-free is the fastest, most cost-effective option for most brands, especially when getting started. For now, select toll-free and click Next. You'll be asked for your business contact information. Enter your first and last name as the responsible contact. Add a business email you actively monitor, since verification updates will be sent there. Provide a phone number where your team can be reached if Klaviyo or a carrier needs to confirm details. Choose your country, then enter your street address. If applicable, include apartment, suite, or unit information so your address matches official records. Fill in your city, select your state or province, and add your postal code. Accuracy matters here. Carriers use this information to verify your brand and reduce the risk of message filtering. You'll also see an optional forwarding number field. If you add a forwarding number, inbound calls to your toll-free SMS number can route to your support or main line, which is helpful if customers call after receiving a text. This is optional and can be added or updated later. When everything looks correct, submit the request. Klaviyo will process your toll-free verification with carriers. This can take a few business days, and during that time, delivery may be limited. Keep an eye on the status in your SMS settings. You'll be notified when it's approved. Once approved, your toll-free sender will appear under sender information and will be available to use in campaigns and flows. As you begin sending, make sure your subscribers have opted in. Include clear opt-out instructions like stop, and identify your brand in the first message. These best practices protect deliverability and help you stay compliant while you grow your SMS channel.